Hello, good morning. This is Lance Liam Chumowski, and for today's video, tayo po ay nag-sailing from Seattle to Alaska. So, ayan po yung ating top view ng ating Norwegian cruise ship. So, dyan tayo nag-breakfast. Tara po, kain na. Napakaganda ng view. So, habang